Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to block live captions in Google Meet using xFanatical SafeDoc. Google Meet's live captions feature is designed to improve accessibility by displaying real-time subtitles during meetings. While helpful for participants with hearing impairments, live captions can sometimes cause distractions in educational settings, particularly in K-12 classrooms. Students may focus on reading the captions rather than paying attention to the speaker or content being shared, leading to a loss of focus during lessons. By eliminating the potential distractions caused by inaccurate or unnecessary captions, educators can ensure that students remain engaged with the lesson content and actively participate in class discussions. That's where xFanatical SafeDoc comes for the rescue. By blocking live captions in Google Meet using SafeDoc, teachers can ensure that students stay focused on the instruction being provided, creating a more effective and engaging learning environment. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by enabling the Block Me Captions policy and setting the value to True, you can remove the caption options in Google Meet easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.